The efficiency of two identical transformers under load conditions can be determined by short circuit test, open circuit test, no load test, back-to-back test. The efficiency of two identical transformers under load conditions can be determined by answer is back-to-back test. Flash point of a transformer insulating oil should more than 100 degree, greater than 140 degree, 75 degree, below 75 degree. The answer is greater than 140 degree. Flash point of a transformer insulating oil should be more than 140 degree or equal to 140 degree. Oil is provided in an oil-filled transformer for lubrication, insulation, cooling, both cooling and insulation. Answer is both cooling and insulation. Iron loss in a transformer can be determined by open circuit test, short circuit test, both 1 and 2, none. Iron loss in a transformer can be determined by answer is open circuit test. Which of the following is not a part of a transformer? Conservator, breather, exciter, relay. Exciter, because exciter is generally used to start the motor, but transformer is a static device. Hence, exciter is not a part of a transformer. Noise of a transformer mainly due to cooling fan, magnetostriction in an iron core, mechanical vibration, all above. Noise of a transformer mainly due to answer is magnetostriction in an iron core. In a transformer, the primary flux is dash dash secondary flux greater than, smaller than either 1 and 2 or equal to. The answer is obviously equal to. What would happen in a transformer is connected to DC supply? No effect. Operate with high efficiency, damage the transformer, operate with low frequency. The answer is damage the transformer, because we know transformer's principle is mutual induction. An auto transformer can be used as step up device, step down device, both step up and step down. None. Answer is both step up and step down. In an auto transformer, the primary and secondary are dash dash coupled. Electrically coupled, magnetically coupled, both electrically and magnetically coupled, none. Answer is both electrically and magnetically. In an auto transformer, the primary and secondary are both electrically and magnetically coupled. Stones are provided in the substation to provide insulation to avoid fire accident during leakage of the transformer oil, to avoid growing of plants and weeds, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. The size of a transformer core mainly depends on frequency, area of core, flux density of a core, both frequency and area of core. Answer is both frequency and area of core. The main purpose of performing short circuit test in a transformer is to measure its copper loss, core loss, insulation resistance, total loss. Answer is copper loss. The open circuit test in a transformer is used to measure copper loss, winding loss, total loss, core loss. Open circuit test for core loss. The short circuit test in a transformer is performed on low voltage side, high voltage side, either 1 and 2, both 1 and 2. The answer is high voltage side. Which of the following loss in a transformer even at full load? Eddy current loss, core loss, copper loss, friction loss. And question again. Which of the following loss in a transformer is zero even at full load? Answer is friction loss. In a transformer, the resistance between its primary and secondary is infinite because these coils, primary and secondary, are not connected by electrically. Transformer core are laminated in order to reduce hysteresis loss, reduce hysteresis and eddy current loss, minimize eddy current loss and copper loss. Answer is to minimize eddy current loss. Which of the following losses varies with the load in the transformer? Core loss, copper loss, both core and copper loss, none. Answer is varies with load, copper loss. The leakage flux in a transformer depends upon the value of frequency, mutual flux, load current, applied voltage. The answer is load current. Power transformers are designed to have maximum efficiency at full load, 50% load, 80% load, no load. Answer is full load. The essential conditions for parallel operation of a two single phase transformer is that they should have the same KVA rating, turn ratio, polarity both. Answer is both turn ratio and polarity. The purpose of providing an iron core in a transformer is to provide support to windings, reduce hysteresis loss, decrease the reluctance of the magnetic path, reduce eddy current losses. The answer is to decrease the reluctance of the magnetic path. Reluctance is similar to resistance. If we decrease or reduce reluctance, it will be helpful for flowing magnetic flux. The second, primary windings of a transformer is always a low voltage winding, is always a high voltage winding, could either be a low voltage or high voltage windings, none. Answer is primary windings of a transformer could either be low voltage or high voltage winding. Which winding in a transformer has more turns? Low voltage winding, high voltage winding, primary winding, secondary winding. The answer is high voltage winding in a transformer has more turns. Efficiency of a power transformer is of the order of 100%, 98%, 50%, 25%. Answer is 98%. A common method of cooling a power transformer is natural air cooling, air blast cooling, oil cooling, any of the above. Answer is oil cooling is a common method of cooling a power transformer. Next, in the transformer, the function of a conservator is to provide fresh air for cooling The transformer. Supply cooling oil to transformer in time of need. Protect the transformer from damage when oil expands due to heating. None. The answer is, in the transformer, the function of a conservator is to protect the transformer from damage when oil expands due to heating. The efficiency of a transformers compared with that of electric motors of the same power are about the same, much smaller, much higher, somewhat smaller. Answer is much higher. Part of a transformer which is most subject to damage from overheating is iron core, copper windings, winding insulation, frame. Answer is winding insulation. The voltage transformation ratio of the transformer is equal to the ratio of primary turns to secondary turns, secondary current to primary current, secondary induced EMF to primary induced EMF, secondary terminal voltage to primary applied voltage. The answer is secondary induced EMF to primary induced EMF. The voltage transformation ratio of a transformer is equal to secondary induced EMF to primary induced EMF. If a transformer is continuously operated, the maximum temperature rise will occur in core, windings, tank, any. Answer is windings. The noise produced by transformer is termed as zoom, hum, ringing, buzz. Answer is hum. Which of the following parts of a transformer is visible from the outside? Bushing, core, primary windings, secondary winding. Answer is bushing. Which of the following insulating materials can withstand the highest temperature safely? Cellulose, asbestos, mica, glass fiber. Answer is mica.